Kyoshi channel. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get it. Let's go. I hope you enjoy the video. Yeah, let's go. I just washed my car. And I'm here at the tunnel. Yeah, this car needed a wash anyways. But you know how it is. So what y'all think? I mean, I know I missed a few spots and I don't have the right stuff to get the stuff off, but what y'all think? Yes, I know, y'all. I missed this. I already tried it again with that spot right there. But I didn't want to come off of my stuff, you know. But I think I did a good job. Get me past, you know. But I know there's people out there way better than me. That kind of detail. Yeah. Yeah, of course you have people somewhere way over there working. Hey, you gotta do it. Except for tearing down all these orange groves. Because I really hate when they do that. When they tear down the orange groves. I really don't like it. This right there was having fun. All the glass that you see out here. Sorry about that, y'all. Kyoshi fan. Let's go. Man, sorry for getting it all up in person. Man, only if I could keep it this clean. Well, clean as in how I keep it clean, you know. Then I think it would look good. Take the dent out, put tint on it, and I think it'll be fine. Honestly, I really think it'll be fine. And all these bugs out here, my bad. Hey Kyoshi fan, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's go. Peace.